Hi, welcome. So this video today is going to talk you through a mindful breathing activity. It's centered around mindfulness and meditation, and it's a breathing technique that I would encourage you to employ if you've been experiencing anxiety symptoms, stress symptoms. Particularly it tends to the physical side of anxiety and stress. But it can be helpful anyway to bring into part of your day to give yourself an opportunity to relax and unwind.
So hopefully you're ready to begin. First, start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. So you can sit or lie for this exercise, it doesn't really matter, just do what works for you. Make sure that your arms and legs are not crossed and your spine is in neutral, so nice and straight. Now you can keep your eyes open or closed, this is a personal choice. If you do decide to close your eyes, then it does help with focusing inward a lot more. So that would be my recommendation. However, for the first bit, we're going to start by noticing what's going on around you. If your eyes are closed, then pay attention to the light that you can see behind your eyelids. Become aware of other sensations, so what you can smell, what you can hear, taste, feel. If your eyes are open, then maybe notice what they're resting on, notice what you're paying attention to most in the room. Next, we're going to direct the focus inside the body, so we're taking that focus inward. Notice the sensations of your body making contact with the floor, the chair, the bed, wherever you're resting. Notice any tension that you hold, any aches in the body. Try to relax those areas, so if you've got tense shoulders or tense legs, then just bring attention to that for this moment and just try and release that tension. Just try your best to relax your limbs. Become aware of the sensations of breathing. Notice the rise and fall of the chest or the abdomen. Notice the sense of coolness or warmness around the nostrils or the upper lip. That air is coming into your body and leaving the body. So you're breathing normally. Don't change your breathing, just tune into it. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose to establish a mindfulness of the breathing. And then allow your awareness to sit on wherever the sensation of breathing appears strongest to you. So if you notice it more in the abdomen, then let that attention rest there. If your awareness is more in your breathing in your chest, then that's okay. So keep your breathing natural and unforced. We're not trying to control the breathing, but simply tune into the rhythm of breathing at this point. You're not trying to control it, simply notice the quality of each breath. Are you noticing that it's long or short or deep or shallow? Are you noticing your breathing's relaxed or is it quite tense? You're now directing your focus inward and just raising your awareness of your breathing. Just take a moment at this point to notice how you're feeling. How are you feeling in your body? How are you feeling emotionally? Notice how your thoughts come in and they can often pull your attention away from the breathing. That's okay. That's absolutely normal. We can't control thoughts coming in. So if you notice that your attention is being pulled with them, that's okay. Notice those thoughts. So we've established that thoughts can be distracting. So when you're noticing them, you want to try and refocus your attention back to the breathing. One way to do this is to silently count each breath to yourself. So let's give that a go. Inhale, that's 1. Exhale, that's 1. And then inhale for 2. Exhale for 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 3. Inhale 4. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. And so you can continue with that all the way up to 10 and then start again at 1. It's really normal to lose count or get distracted, and so if you become aware of this, then just bring your attention back to the breathing by starting again at 1. For some people, the counting is counterproductive. For some people, they find that too stressful. So we want you to relax and engage in this exercise that works for you. So it might be about using a word that suits you as well. So something comfortable, calming and relaxing. So something with a bit of comfort to it. You could say relax on your in-breath and out-breath. So again, silently saying that to yourself. Or say calm or let go or I'm safe. Anything that really works for you. So find your sort of mantra, as it were. So now that we have given that exercise a bit of a go, hopefully you feel confident in continuing with that. I would encourage you to practice that in and out breath, calming breaths, for around sort of 5-10 minutes a day. We know that up to 10 minutes of relaxation and mindful techniques can be very beneficial for your well-being. So that would be what I'd advise, but start small. If you've never done these exercises before, then just do a couple of minutes a day and build on that. Eventually you can aim towards much longer durations, but for now, just try and do what works for you. So now that we're coming to the end of this exercise, I just want you to take a minute and check in with how you're feeling. Bring your attention back into the room, so slipping away from that inward attention, back to that external attention, to your environment, to what's going on around you. Noticing the light in the room, the temperature, how you're feeling in your body, everything, just really come back to the moment. Now you can repeat this exercise every day if possible. Like I said, schedule in a few minutes a day, it can be really helpful. But if not, can you just take some secured time in your week, adding 10 minutes of your week to do this? Every little helps. So thank you for watching and joining me in this exercise. If you have any questions or concerns, just pop it in the comment section for me and I'll take a look, or send me a message. And hopefully these videos are helpful. If you have any suggestions about what kind of things you'd want to see, any kind of concerns that you think you'd need some tools for, then let me know and I'll try my best to help out.